already know what I'm talking about. Me getting my breast reduction. So I tried to make this video before and it just was not right, so I never uploaded it. So I've been in this process for, it's been some months now, but I was supposed to get breast reduction about a year ago, but I found out I was pregnant with my second son, so I was not able to go further with that process. So now that my son is about 6 months now, I am able to get it. So I don't have any notes or anything, so I'm just going off the top of my head because I'm tired of stalling the video. Okay, so it's probably gonna be a little bit around the place, but if you hear any playing or kids, that's my kids in the other room, so I'm sorry if you hear that. So like I was saying, I have been going through this process now for about, it's been about 3-4 months now, I think, because I went, well, what they did was they had me do another consultation because it had been a year. So they wanted to re-look at my breasts and all of that stuff. So I went to the consultation. They looked at my breasts and measured my breasts and kind of showed me what they would look like after the process and after the surgery. And she also kind of drew out a picture of the incision that they'll be using, which is, I think, the anchor incision, where they go underneath and they go up. So that's the incision I'm probably gonna get. They did tell me I would probably be getting drains, probably because of my breast size, I think. So after that happened and she measured me and looked at my breasts and all that kind of stuff, she told me that I would wait about 2 weeks to see if my insurance covered it or not. So I ended up waiting my 2 weeks and I had not got a call back, so I was calling them, bugging them. And eventually I got through to somebody and they told me that they thought that I was still pregnant. It was some type of communication, misunderstanding, because I haven't been pregnant for a year. So I don't know what's going on, but I did have to keep bugging them and stuff because nobody was calling me back. Nobody was getting back to me. So I took the initiative to call my insurance on my own and ask them, hey, what's going on? What's taking so long? And that was what was going on. So my insurance, finally, they approved it. So I am able to get my breast reduction. And another thing I forgot to say towards the beginning, like I said, I'll probably be all over the place because I don't have a paper or anything. I didn't write my notes. I did have them, but they're gone. And I'm gonna get this video out the way. When I went to my consultation, the thing that was different from a year before I got pregnant with my second son was, then if they felt like they were too big, that was it. But now they ask you, have you been to a chiropractor? Have you gotten massages? And this is like, if you tell them like, hey, my back is hurting, I'm in pain all the time, my chest is hurting from it, you know, this, I don't know what it's called, this neck muscle is hurting, whatever it is, they want to know, have you been to a chiropractor first and gotten massages? So with me, I was getting some little rashes under my breast. So she looked at that and said, you know, that's not normal, you know, that you're getting rashes under your breast, but it's normal for me because I have bigger breasts, but, you know, that's not a good thing to keep getting rashes and having this, you know, from sweat and stuff. So she was saying that she would put that in and make sure to note that that was happening. Now, fast forward back to what I was saying. So my insurance covered it. And I did finally get the call back after. I could not get in touch with this nurse, y'all. When I tell you I could not get in touch with this nurse that is supposed to be making my appointment, it took forever. Like, I kept calling. She was always busy or she wasn't at work because she had left me a voice message. So I had missed her first. I kept calling and then I missed her call. So after I called this many times, she finally called me back and I left the house for a couple minutes and she called and I missed it. And then she wasn't going to be in work on Monday. So I had to keep calling. I just could not get her to get back to me. And finally she did. And my appointment is December 12th. That is my surgery date. My surgery date is December 12th. My post-surgery appointment is December 3rd. So I am very excited. I've been struggling with my breasts for all that I can remember. I've had breasts before other kids had breasts when I was in elementary school and all of that. Like, I've always had bigger breasts. So I'm excited to be getting these things off because it does cause a lot of pain as far as back aching. Everybody's like, oh, why are you getting your breasts? Like, they look nice. Like, you know, they don't feel nice. Like, they don't feel nice at all. It hurts. My back is always hurting. If I stand up too long, my back is hurting. Like, I'm just so excited to be getting this surgery. So I've been hearing from a couple different people different things. Like, with someone, they told me even though they had insurance that they were able to pick their breast size and they were able to pick their surgeon. But from what I'm understanding, you're not able to pick your size if it's covered by insurance. They pick what's healthy for you. So if you guys are watching this and you're also getting a breast reduction or you've had a consultation, comment below and let me know, were you able to pick your surgeon? Did you pick your doctor or your surgeon? Because I didn't get that option. So on December 3rd, I will be going to talk to them and ask them, do I have that option? Because some other people told me that. But from my understanding, for me, I'm not able to pick my surgeon or my size. I was told that I would be going down to a double D or a C. A big C, a double D, or a big D, if that makes sense. So that's the size that they told me that I will most likely be going to. There's no telling yet until I get on that table and get off the table and see how these babies is looking. But for now, I don't know exactly the size I'll be. My breast size now, I'm not really comfortable saying it. I think I'm gonna tell you guys after I get the surgery and like elaborate more on that part of the size I am and the size I went down to. So I will be vlogging the whole process. You guys will be seeing everything. There will be updates, weekly updates. So be looking forward to that because I will be doing that. And I kind of just wanted to update you guys on what's going on with me because I don't post a lot of personal videos. And I did tell you guys in my last Get Ready With Me, if you haven't watched it, go watch it. I told you guys that I wanted to get a little bit more personal and be myself and let you guys see who I really am instead of like you guys just seeing my hands with the DIYs. I've been getting a little bit more into makeup and things. So if this is your first video watching me, go check out my other ones, please. So that's all that I have for updates right now. When I have some new updates and I'm able to talk a little bit more about it, I will be making another video to update you guys. So that's about it. Bye, my beauty.